This weather radio has tons of features. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is very cool. This is the SANGEAN MMR-99 emergency weather radio, and it has a ton of features. Now, first off, it has solar on the top, so you can charge this with a solar panel. So if you completely run out of power and you have no electricity, you can just leave it out in the sun. Not enough? It also has a dynamo on the back, so you can actually crank it to get some emergency power if you really need to hear that emergency broadcast. And it does weather, so it does all 7 of the NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration weather channels, and it does weather alerts, and it's AM/FM with auto scan, and of course it's a modern FM radio, so it works with RBDS, which is the radio broadcast data system, which means it will be able to show you the name of the channel. Sometimes, depending on channel, it will show you the category of the channel. It might even show you the name of the song it's playing. It's pretty cool stuff. If you're still mired in the ancient world of FM radio, modern FM does some pretty slick little tricks like that. Now, it also has a 5-feature flashlight. So let's turn the flashlight on, and I can step through the different flashlight modes. And there's actually 2 modes, because I can also go to sort of a dimmer version of those. And there's an emergency. See, I think I have to turn it off first. There we go. And you can hear, it's a soft alarm, but I think you can turn the volume up. There we go. So if you were out hunting or something and you had a problem, this is one way to actually get people's attention, and it gets louder over time. So let's turn that off, because that's a little annoying, and the flashlight's off. So if nothing else, this is a solar powered flashlight, which is also really cool. But a lot of the interesting functionality is the radio. So let's go ahead and I'm going to extend the antenna, kind of old school, but you need an antenna for AM and FM. So I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to start with the weather channel. And the way it works is there's 7 different weather channels, and you want to find the one that's for your region. And in there, big complex instructions. They actually tell you how to figure out which one is for your region. That's important. And so I can just listen to the weather forecast, or I can switch or tap on the band button. I can go to Bluetooth. All right, we'll do that. My phone's already paired. So now, maybe get a little further in this music. And here's one thing that really surprised me about this, is it sounds really good. In fact, it will surprise the heck out of you how nice the sound is for something of this style, because generally with these sort of things, let me turn that volume back down, generally speaking, they don't sound that great, but this one actually does a good job. It even has bass, which is pretty remarkable. Now, let's pause that. So that's Bluetooth, and I can go to auxiliary in. I'll show you that in a second. And then here's FM.
Fix something?
And I think this is an NPR radio show.
About being a washing machine fixer guy.
And then I can go AM.
Genealogies too.
And of course, AM radio is all about
one
talk.
says, but
That's
I think
pretty much all that's
Genesis
on it now.
is written to be taken literally.
Oh, in fact, that's actually about the Bible.
Mostly cloudy.
So let's turn that off. So those are your basic cycles. And let me give you a close-up on the front so you can see. So it has AM, FM with that RBDS, like I said. It has weather channels, it has Bluetooth, and it has auxiliary in. All of that's really great. You might not need to extend your antenna depending on what you want to listen to. But again, this is also one way to look at this, is it's a solar powered Bluetooth speaker. So that's pretty cool too. Now, it has all the buttons on the front, and it has 5 memory buttons. So you can actually just store favorite channels regardless of what band they're in. That can be very helpful. And volume and tuning. And then when you look on the top, that's where you have those flashlight controls, and that's easy enough to work with. And then on this side, there are 4 hidden ports. And if I open them up and give you this close-up, you can see that on the right side, Those are two 3.5 millimeter jacks. One is for audio in and one is for audio out, in other words, headphones or earbuds. And then on the left side, you have DC in if you want to charge it via direct power, and that's just a USB-C cable. And that's in fact what I did when I first got it. I plugged in the included USB-C cable, and that's USB-C to USB-A, plugged it in and let it just charge for some period of time. So it got, full power, full battery. It has a nice battery indicator, very helpful. And then it was all ready to go. And then finally on the other side, there's one more port because there's also a power out. So if you need to charge your phone, you can use this battery's power to charge your phone. So again, solar, hand crank, power out, phone charging, Bluetooth. I mean, like I said, it does a lot of stuff. It's pretty darn sweet. It also has automatic power off, and it also has the ability for you to set alarms and have a sleep timer. Finally, it is IP55 dust proof and waterproof, so you can't have it fall in the lake and fish it out 3 weeks later and have it be fine. That's probably a little bit too much, but you can certainly be out with it if you're backpacking or camping and you leave it on your table and it rains that night. That's okay. It's not going to bother it at all. So that's why there's these like heavy duty covers on all the ports too. So all of that, it's really one of the best devices I've seen in this category. I'm a real fan. I've been a fan of SANGEAN for a really long time. I remember having some of their radios, honestly, like 30 years ago, and they have been making this stuff. Next year is their 50th anniversary of making weather radios and AM, FM, broadband, and all this sort of stuff. They really have a wide variety of products that they make, which is great. They have a ton of experience with this. And as you can see, this is a tough, rugged unit with really nice, big, visible buttons. It's really easy to work with. The sound is better than you're going to expect, even with me telling you it sounds good. If you get one of these, you'll still say, wow, Dave was actually kind of understating that. It really sounds good. And here's the cool thing it's doing. It's showing me the time, because when I went to an FM station that was using that RDS or RBDS, it picked up time from that radio station and then set its own internal time. So now it's also doing clock features without me ever having to hassle with it, which is great. So in the box, it also includes that USB charging cable. It includes a nice little handle, easily to clipped on here. And it includes what have to be really some of the largest instructions, but it is organized. It is in multiple languages. I'm always curious how they actually do that first fold after they print this sheet, but somewhere there's a machine that's very precise with this, and that's good. So that's really everything I have. Dimensions wise, it's 8 inches by 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and it's about 2 pounds. It's fairly heavy, but a lot of that is that battery and the speaker. Both of those add up to a lot of weight. Cool circuitry, great features. Let's talk about the price, but before we get to the price, I'm going to ask if you would be so kind as to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on the subscribe button, and then go ahead and click on that little bell icon to turn on notifications. And if you found this review helpful, informative, interesting, even entertaining, then go ahead and give me a like or a thumbs up. Really appreciate when you do that. Sweet. Now, this is the SANGEAN MMR-99 emergency weather radio. Lift up the antenna, and it comes in desert tan, or this is forest green, which I prefer of the two colors, and it's $149.99 at Amazon.com. That might sound a little expensive for an AM/FM weather radio, but if you think about all the features this has, this is exactly the kind of device you want to have for those really bad periods when your house loses power and you don't know when you're going to get it back, or when you're out and you're in your RV and you really just want to make sure you stay connected regardless of what dire things occur. This is what you want. You're going to pull this out of your storage kit. You're going to take this out of your basement, stick it in the sun for a couple hours if you need to, or get one of your kids to crank it for a few minutes, and you're going to be set and ready to go. Real good one. Definitely a keeper here. So that's all I got. So I'll have to catch you in my next video.